Hi, my name is Sri. I'm currently pursuing molecular and human genetics from Bangalore University. So during my tenure of Bangalore University, the university gave me the exposure of GGIRHR, which is an embryology center and also an hospital. So from there we can learn about embryology. So during the 16 sessions of GGIRHR, I have learned many things about the embryology, how it works, the semen sample, the sperms, the ovum, the oocytes, many other things. The teachers gave us a very detailed explanation about the embryology things and the machineries of the embryology also. So after that, the 16 sessions we have done given exams of GGIRHR and 15 students were get selected for 1 week of hands-on training. So this hands-on training is really good. What we feel now, like we don't know anything about the real things and real-time experience here. It's really good. So from the excite, and I was one of the selected students to come here and get this opportunity to do the hands-on training. So from there, I have learned many things. Like in theory is different. Like we should know the things, but doing the practical things are really a hell and heaven different. You should feel like how it's really help you to take the real-time semen sample, how to interact with the patients, how to identify which the people have what problem, which like semen morphology, Siemens sperms concentration, sperms morphology, sperms volume, all the things. Like the teacher it help us and given proper details of hands-on training, and we have also done the things, and we have seen we have really enjoyed. Not only just learned, we really enjoyed the full 1 week of this workshop of hands-on training in IVF center, and I really recommend other people. And I'm really like so excited to pursue my life in embryology, and I surely recommend people to come here and learn embryology. And if you tell me to rate this GGIRHR, like it is always be at 10 on 10, nothing else. So learn embryology, it's really awesome. Thank you.